Hi guys, at CK we are launching our program for CAT 21 crash course and CAT 22 programs as well. So in case you want to join us for CAT 21 or CAT 22, you can just call the numbers given below or the links are given in the description box to join. Or in case you want to join us only for the books, mock shortcuts, you can join us. This Monday we are launching our new program. In my earlier video, I've given the target of 666 for the reserved category students. You can please watch the video. Otherwise, I'll attach that video in the end of this video so that in case you have not watched that video, we can watch the video again. Now, to get 6 questions correct, suppose let's start the quant section. To get 6 questions correct, I might have to attempt 10 questions. Yeah, depending upon your accuracy as well. 9, 10 you have to do so that I can do minimum 6 questions correct. Now there are 5 areas: arithmetic, modern maths, equations, geometry, numbers, and time, speed, distance, time and work. You can pause the video and check out those details. Now there are 2 ways to get that number. I focus only on arithmetic and maybe geometry and try to clear the cutoff. You can do that, but I am Calcutta. Last year arithmetic section was very tough. Okay, last year modern math section and geometry number ka section was very tough by IIM Indore. Now which section will be tough or wrong, we don't know. Suppose I only focus on arithmetic, ignore modern maths, I'm totally gone. So my advice is, an important wise, all of them are important. Arithmetic there will be suppose 7 to 8 questions, modern maths 5 to 6 questions, equations 4 to 5 questions, geometry number 3 questions, time and distance, time speed is PNC 3 questions. They're the typical breakup. So my advice is very simple. These 2 are your main topics. Your target should be to do 3 question attempt in each of this area. Yeah, and then equation, geometry number, time, speed, distance, you can do 1 to 2 question each. Even if you do 1 you are able to clear the cutoff attempt. Of course, depending on accuracy, 80% accuracy, you can clear the cutoff for main IIMs also. Are you getting me? So rather than looking at the target, bigger target, like in quant my attempt should be 10. No, I want you to set your target according to each area. Suppose in geometry number I am 0, improve karo, because even in geometry number there will be 1 or 2 easy question. Ab wohi nikal do. Okay, don't make anything 0. Try to cover up every topic, but try to maximize your attempt. Your target and attempt is 10. I can do 2 also, but time, speed, distance, time and work में 2 question attempt करना might not be easy. So let's make it 3, 1. Whichever way you want to target, you can set your targets for quant. Then comes the verbal part, RC and non-RC. There are 2 sections, RC and non-RC. Your target is very simple, doing 2 sets of RC. 2 sets. Okay. And non-RC, theta question, of course, I'll solve all theta question. Otherwise, apart from that, I'll do 3 to 4 questions. Because total number of questions here will be 8. This is 8, this is 18. So out of 18, out of 4 sets, your target should be 3 sets, 2 sets. And theta question, non-RC question, 2 to 3 questions. Okay, let me just summarize. In non-RC, out of 8 questions, I'm going to attempt kitna? 3-4 question. And in RC I want to attempt 2 RCs. So 2 RCs mean almost 10 question, 13, 14 question. If I do, I can easily click it. Don't over attempt. If this your accuracy is not that great, please don't over attempt in the verbal section. Same way from DLR point of view, your target have to be 3 sets. Logic based DLR, I can target 1 set. Modern maths, I can target 1 set. And calculation based DI, I can target 1 set. 3 set attempt kar do, tathastu. Again, depend upon your accuracy, you will get the IIM calls. And this is the breakup of our black book. So there are 10 books. In case you want to go for the books, you can join us for the program. In case you want to go for all the 10 books, if you already have these 10 books, हर एक में से एक सेट कर दो यार, तुम्हारा DLR का कट ऑफ निकल जाएगा. Alright, all the best. Hi guys, last year I had a very smart student. She was from the SC category, plus 2 years of work ex in IT company, engineer, and every point of view, comm skills, everything was perfect. But in the CAT exam, her verbal section was, let's say, 6 question correct. DLR was 8 question correct. In quant, she got only 1 question correct. And all the IM dreams shattered because of this quant. So, coming to the point, see, everybody have a weak area. Let it be quant, let it be verbal, or let it be DLR. ठीक है, आपका जो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैथ्स इज माई सुपर स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया, दिस एंड दैट, यू कैन टारगेट 10 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट और 30 मार्क्स. Every question in the CAT exam is worth 3 marks. Verbal 10 question correct, 30 marks. DLR, suppose that's my weak area, so my minimum target have to be 6 question correct. Okay, so that 18 marks is enough to get the IM call. Strong area may try to attack, try to maximize. In the weak area, try to get the minimum score. From that point of view, your minimum target setting is 6 question correct in each section, which is 18 marks in each of the sections. Now, of course, for example, there might be some area where you are very good in. For example, quant is my strong area. Quant में 10 लेके आ जाओ, उसके ऊपर लेके आ जाओ. Otherwise, 6 correct, 6 correct, 6 correct, which is 18 marks each, is your cutoff for IMs. And I can guarantee, give you in writing, if you get these 3 numbers, irrespective of your 10, 12 graduation marks, you are going to get the call from IMs. ठीक है, ये मैं आपको प्रॉमिस देता हूँ. ठीक है, बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो, इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज द टारगेट, यू कैन मेक इट 888 आल्सो. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, यू कैन मेक इट 555 आल्सो. 555 पे भी गारंटेड IM कॉल आएगा. ओके, आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट, ही इज टुडे इन IM अहमदाबाद एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि सर मैंने बस ये फॉलो किया आपका 666 एट सम 85 या 89 परसेंटाइल. ही गॉट IM अहमदाबाद का कॉल, ओनली ए का कॉल, बी एंड सी कॉल नहीं दिया उसको, ए का कॉल है, देन न्यू आइम्स का कॉल था, बाकी सबका कॉल था. फ्रॉम मेन आइम्स ओनली अहमदाबाद एंड लखनऊ आई थिंक गिव द कॉल एंड ही कन्वर्टेड IM अहमदाबाद. फाइन, नाउ यू माइट से कि अरे सर इतने स्कोर पे कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा, दिस एंड दैट. अरे बाद में देखेंगे ना, कन्वर्टिंग इज फेज 2, वी लुक एट आफ्टर, फर्स्ट गेट द कॉल. I don't want you to get so much scared of the CAT exam that instead of getting 6 questions, you get only 1 question correct. Okay. Anyone who cleared the cutoff, IIMS ka rule is very simple. Anyone who cleared the cutoff will get the call, will definitely get the call. Anyone who cleared the cutoff will definitely get the call because there are very less applicants who clear all the 3 cutoffs, quant, verbal, DI logic. That's why 6, 6, 6 is your target to get the IIM call. Then we'll move to phase 2, how to convert that. वो बाद में देखी जाएगी ना यार, मैं बैठा हूँ उसके लिए. We'll be having dedicated workshop for converting the IIM call. You first get me the call. Convert करने का promise मेरा है. Not because I have some जुगाड़ in IIMs, it's because we will work hard accordingly. Okay. So this goes for everyone, from OBC to EWS to SC, ST. For all of them, this is your number. Fine. So what you can do is, wherever your strong area, suppose quant is my strong area, I can make it 10, 10, 6. Yep. Worst case scenario, 5 bhi chalega, 5, 10, 8, any combination around 6, above 6 is a good combination. So you can set your targets. So you decide and tell me, in reality, what is going to be your target in verbal, DI logic and quant. DI logic, quant and verbal. All the best.